breath of Sayyidina Isa will travel towards Dajjal, the breath of the Nabi. Now Sayyidina Isa, when it goes near him, his body will start melting. So Hadith, he's connected to the network. So this is the situation of this spiritual network. These people were connected. Sayyidina Ghaus al-Azam, Sayyidina Shaykh Muhyiddin, Sultan al-Awliya, Abd al-Qadir al-Jilani, Hasani al-Husaini, radiyallahu ta'ala, awlad of Sayyidina Imam al-Husayn, radiyallahu ta'ala, and Sayyidina Imam Hasan Najib al-Tarafain. Sultan al-Awliya, Sayyidina Shaykh Abd al-Qadir al-Jilani, radiyallahu ta'ala, is giving the khutbah in his masjid. And suddenly, he stands up from his mimbar, stops his lecture, and walks down the mimbar and comes and stands in front of one of his Khalifa, Sayyidina al-Qutb, Abu al-Hasan Ali al-Hiti radiyallahu ta'ala. And he comes and stands in front of him with adab like this. And Sayyidina Ali al-Hiti is fast asleep. Sleeping. Sayyidina Ghaus al-Azam, Sultan al-Awliya, Sayyidina Shaykh Muhyiddin, Sayyid Abd al-Qadir al-Jilani radiyallahu ta'ala, stands till he gets up. And when Shaykh Ali al-Hiti gets up,